Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay later on Doordash. So first you need to do is to open the Doordash application and you need to add items into the cart. So as you can see that I already added. Then you need to scroll down and click on continue, and here you can see different payment methods will pop up, and one method that is not available currently for me, that is afterpay. So you simply need to select that and you need to log in into your afterpay account, and after that your order will be placed. Then you can use afterpay to purchase items and you can pay later. So currently that method is not available for me because I am in another country, and so this is the process that you need to follow to pay later on DoorDash. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.